Hello, my friends. Today we are embarking on a journey across several goat farms in the United States to gain a deeper understanding of how American ranchers raise millions of goats. As of September 2023, there are approximately 2.65 million goats in the United States. These goats are primarily found in states like Tennessee, Texas, California, and Georgia. The intricate and fascinating process of goat farming in these states highlights the dedication and expertise of American ranchers. Our first stop is at a goat farm in Georgia. Here, female goats, after a gestation period of about 145 days, start giving birth to their young. According to the latest statistics from the United States Department of Agriculture, around 778,000 baby goats are born annually across the country, with Texas alone accounting for nearly 47% of these births. This concentration is indicative of the significant role Texas plays in the goat farming industry. Despite the presence of many flies on this farm, they do not pose a major health threat to the goats, thanks to effective farm management practices. At just 1 week old, these baby goats weigh around 13 pounds. During this critical early stage, they are moved to a separate area where they can consume as much milk as possible, ensuring they get the necessary nutrients for healthy growth. By the time these goats reach 1 month old, they are allowed to roam outside, providing them with the freedom to move and play. This outdoor activity is crucial for their physical development. Goats are considered fully mature at 18 months, and at this age they typically weigh between 110 and 115 pounds. Next, we visit a grazing goat farm in Texas, where we can observe the daily routines of the herders. Each morning, the herders release the goats into the pastures, allowing them to graze freely. Currently, Texas is home to about 1.1 million goats, making up 41% of the national goat population. The majority of these goats are raised for meat, with Texas contributing to 83% of the United States goat meat production. This significant figure underscores the importance of Texas in meeting the country's demand for goat meat. To protect the goats from predators such as coyotes, herders use dogs to guide the goats into secure holding areas at night. Despite these precautions, it is estimated that around 1,100 goats in Texas are attacked by coyotes each year. This highlights the ongoing challenges ranchers face in safeguarding their livestock. In South Texas, ranchers regularly move their goats to different pastures. This rotational grazing helps maintain the health of the pastures and reduces the incidence of parasites, contributing to the overall well-being of the goats. Now let's head over to a dairy goat farm in California, where the goats enjoy a more diverse diet, rich in grains and protein. As of 2023, California is home to about 97,000 goats, with 45% of them raised specifically for milk production. Have you ever tried goat milk? If you have, we'd love to hear your thoughts on its taste. The milking process at this farm utilizes modern equipment capable of milking 90 goats simultaneously. Each day, a single goat can produce between 9 to 12 pounds of milk. In 2023, there were approximately 371,000 goats raised for milk across the United States. Dairy goat farms are predominantly located in California, Wisconsin, and Iowa, where the conditions are ideal for dairy farming. After the milking process is complete, the equipment is meticulously cleaned and the collected milk is sent to cheese factories for further processing. Let's take a closer look at a goat cheese factory in Wisconsin. Have you ever tasted goat cheese? It's a unique and delicious product. Currently, some of the largest producers of goat cheese in the world include South Sudan, Spain, and France. In 2023, the United States saw a significant increase in goat cheese production, with American goat cheese becoming increasingly popular both domestically and internationally. The U.S. exported large quantities of goat cheese to Europe and Asia, where its high quality and distinctive flavors were well received. The process of making goat cheese involves several stages, each requiring precision and care. First, the fresh goat milk is pasteurized to eliminate any harmful bacteria. After pasteurization, the milk is transferred to a large vat where rennet and starter cultures are added. Rennet is an enzyme that helps coagulate the milk, turning it into curds and whey. The starter cultures are beneficial bacteria that contribute to the flavor and texture of the cheese. Once the milk has coagulated, the curds are cut into small pieces to release the whey. This is done using special cheese knives. The curds are then gently stirred and heated to help expel more whey. After heating, the curds are allowed to settle and the whey is drained off. The curds are then placed into molds and pressed to remove any remaining whey and to give the cheese its shape. The pressing time varies depending on the type of cheese being made. After pressing, the cheese is removed from the molds and salted. Salting can be done by rubbing salt on the surface of the cheese, soaking it in brine. Salt acts as a preservative and enhances the flavor of the cheese. The cheese is then aged in a controlled environment where temperature and humidity are carefully monitored. The aging process can range from a few weeks to several months, depending on the desired characteristics of the cheese. The process of raising goats and producing goat cheese in the United States is a testament to the hard work and expertise of American ranchers. From the initial stages of goat rearing to the production of milk and cheese, each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the best possible outcomes. How do you feel about the process of raising goats and producing goat cheese that we've shown you in this video? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.